Hello and welcome guys. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install one of my favorite accessories on the motorbikes, which they are heated grips. Heated grips is a must-have accessories. I tell you why. I live in Ireland, and for those who don't know, Irish climate is rubbish. Most of the time it's a cold, raining, so very unpleasant condition for motorcycling. But those sunny days where it's nice, sunny out, you even more appreciate your rides. So that's why I must have them on my motorbikes. Triumph, I tell you why I went for the genuine OEM Triumph heated grips. Even I heard the not most warmest heated grips on the market. Simple reason. Triumph designed them that the all wires go inside the handlebar. So you don't have excessive wires hanging as outside your handlebar. Also, they have integrated switch on the handlebar. You don't have an extra controller sticking out on your handlebar. That's why I like the design. I like the whole idea. Everything is going to be nice, neatly fit. That's why I decided to go for the genuine Triumph heated grips. So what we have to do now, first remove the both seats. Remove the two bolts holding the tank. Remove two barrel mirrors. Remove the old grips. Fish the new wire loom from the heated grips to the handlebar. Put the new heated grips, connect everything together, screw it back, and that's it. Simple as. Okay, so let me try if it's gonna work. We have to start from the seats. We have to take out both of the seats. Okay, both seats out. We have to remove bar and mirror. Okay, this bit it's also from this one. So it's a Star. It's a Torx 20. It's from both sides, top and bottom. It's the same one. So unbolt both of them and just slide it back. As you can see, we have removed old grip. And now, as you can see, we can lift up the tank, and this is the socket which is for the connection your handlebars. Now we get into the kit. So inside the kit we have a left grip with the switch on off button, and the right grip and the wire loom. Few bolts, spacers, and that's it. We start from the left heated grips, which has the on off button. Left heated grip has 3-pin connector, and right heated grips has 2-pin connector. So this goes into the left hand side, the other one to the right hand side. Under the handlebar there is a hole which is supposed to fish through the new wire loom. Okay, so gently through the hole, and try to push it to the left, because this is the left one. As you can see, under the handlebar there's another hole, and this piece just came out. So now you have to do exactly the same from the other side. See, it's already clicked, and then just push it back, and there's a cut inside the metal handlebar, so the wire has to go there. So push it back, push it back, push it back. Okay, make sure this wire fits that cut. I will give you some tip. Just add a little bit WD-40. And there's second. And now we can slide off the other handlebar. Okay. Now we have to fish the wire to the other one. If you have a problem with the axis, lose those 4 bolts, move the handlebar down, and you have a better access to that coated hole under your handlebar, so it's going to be easier to operate with the cables. Yes, there is it. See, WD-40 can do the magic. Connect 2-pin socket inside. Try to pull it slightly. Again, there's a cut over here. Through the cut and start pulling at the same time with your finger. Try to hold it. Make sure it's still inside the groove. While you're pushing in, pull at the same time. Yeah, there is it. As you can see, the roll guys work fine. Make sure nothing cuts, everything is in position. Now we can put back this top part. Now we have to put this wire loom through here and fish it from the other side. I give you a little advice. If you want to fit heated grips before you go through with the wires through the handlebar, first fit them between the frame and the airbox, and then just go through a handlebar, because it's very hard to push that plug between the frame and the airbox, because it's thicker. The other side is much smaller, so it's going to be easier. Roll goes smoothly. There's no faults, and now we're going to press. As you can see, there's heated grips symbol on the dash, and we can just change the 3 different settings. So now we have it on the maximum settings, and we have a look if they work. Otherwise, if they don't, that means you rip the wire on inner loom, or just cut it, snap it. I don't know. Yes, I can feel them on both my hands. So yeah, they works. I'm gonna actually start the bike. Oh yes. Oh. Yes, I can feel them. They work finally. Late night ride, it's gonna be pleasure. Okay, so all the work is done. heated grips in position. The roll gas moves smoothly on the dash. Now you can see at the very bottom, just down there, icon. So when you press twice, it's lower down, lower position. So once is the most warmest, second, third, and off. Nice, nitty. You don't even notice that the wires go inside the loom, inside the handlebar, and just like, you know, goes there underneath.